My brothers and my sisters on our door, this is on a beautiful sister, Laminatu Sanko, the one and only, the original, no duplicates, any other Laminatu Nakabon copy. You, my brother, they look me, you, my sister, they look me, wanna feel free to share this video. My brothers and my sisters, this video where I make so. Now for the kill, we then kill some of we brothers and we sisters, we citizens them of Sierra Leone. We then kill them, Namakin. My brothers and my sisters, for una way they in uniform, I beg una in the name of God. If una go any side, for go perform una duties, una no go kill people, una no go take more time in life. Not to pass you kill a person means say you don't do something. You as an officer, police officer, SSD, military. Una get tear gas there. Una can spray tear gas when the people in face. That one is more preferable than una shoot them, una use live cartridge, una kill them. And I'm sure the President Julius Maada Bio, he know the same una say una go kill. When President Julius Maada Bio passing order, say una go na Makeni, una go take that machine, the light machine. He not tell una say una go kill. That I'm sure of. He not tell una say una they go so. If they not agree for una take the machine, una kill them. No. He not say that to una. So you me brother, they look me, you me sister, they look me. If you then at the military, or you then at the police force, or you na SSD, and the people in the name of God, una block for the kill with citizens there, with brothers and with sisters there. Now una make now innocent people in Amakeni, they don't die. They not just die natural death. Una kill them. You are the look me now, you are the talk to. You don't kill that woman, you don't kill that man. What's in the pay where you get? Or then they give you extra button because you kill person. Well, guess what? Now this dunya you they get extra button because you kill person. But when you die go next wall, you know they get extra button. And I'm sure, this are 100% sure, say President Julius Maada Bio, innocent una say we una go forgot the electricity machine, lo una go kill the innocent people then they. Why make una do that kind thing? Una they make people like we kind of. We want go in power in a salon because me Laminatu Sanko, me na number one person, me I know they take bribe. I know they take big. Yes, I know they take bribe, I know they take big. We not make people like we kind them. We want go daddy. For discipline some of una, we heartless. Because and I tell you one thing. If me Laminatu Sanko, then na salon I get power. President pull una say una go do so thing, not tell una say una go kill. Then you go kill, trust me, and they make sure they kill you back. Then they kill you back, and when they kill you, then they kill you in an open field. That's when the other people then go land. So when the president pass in order, now for go according to in order. President not talk say go kill. If president tell you say go kill, guess what? When that time they reach, pretend like for say you don't sick bad like say you want die. Pull your head come out. Because what you do, when you tell them what's in life, the blood, now you are not there left. And me no say, President Julius Maada Bio, innocent una none. For say no, una go kill the innocent people in there. Now una don't go kill them. Una don't sit down una at school. Lights don't go na lunge. Yes, which is good. Light don't go na lunge. But hey, una take more time and their life. When not all the president said una for go do. President Julius Maada Bio, I beg you in the name of God. I don't tell you this today and I repeat I'm back today na Thursday, July the 30th, 2020. You get people and you mean when they sabotage the government. Hey, then are the military, then are the SSD, then are the police force, then they try for sabotage your government. So you get for wide awake. By that I mean, you get for grab and stood up tight. and put a stop to all that nonsense there. When you send them, you know they send them, say, they won't kill. No. You get for make it loud and clear to them. And anybody who do that can act there. Now for kill the person back. Now for kill her back. Now so I'm not to some, that's what I say. Because this is getting out of hands. All the citizens of Sierra Leone, now that they don't die also. They don't die natural death. Now kill them, they kill them. When you check who they kill them, now people them, whether not the force, military, SSD, police, who they kill them, who they before kill. Who they not go spray tear gas fan. Growing up as a little child of Fobe, what me sabi is policeman them, SSD them. What's in they do? Then they run at people that with tear gas and spray all the run way inside us. But now kill una the kill. Una they make warden at the ask myself. We afraid. Let me say somebody been come overseas go fending pussy. E go fending relatives them na Makeni. During 19 and they won't go take that machine day. When a person go kill that innocent person, like when I don't kill them one day. President Julius Madabio, you have to do something. Because me all Amina to Sanko, I'm not gonna lie you, Papa. This kid when they kill people as on Makeni, it not go down well with me, it not sweet me. I don't like that at all. You not send the police here, the SSD here, the soldier man there, you not send them someone and go kill people there. You tell them, say, una go bring the machine come. Now look what they go do. They go take innocent lives them. With future leaders them. They go take people and tap their family. Kill them. So that can say above they go. Papa President Julius Madabio, my own brother. You get for what you shoulder, you get for what you neighbor. And you get for what under your foot. Because guess what? The people the way they try for sabotage your government, then they right under your nose. Yes! So you need for the set example. What's in like they can also be? Set example. So the next time when you pass your order, when they go according to what you say. Because me all Amina to Sanko. And not say you not tell them say, me they go kill mortal man. You tell them say me they go take machine. At the end of the day, they want me gla gla. Gla gla. Yes. Macho. They want make macho. Then kill people there. You had to look me now, you had to talk to. There people in the way you kill, guess what? You don't go Jahannama. You, where they look me. There are people in the way you kill Namakeni. You don't go to Jahannama. Because what you do? Most of my blood all left now you earn. Yes! They tell you say go take machine. They not tell you say go kill people there. President Julius Madabio, people then there with you. Then that you circle, but they know that you corner. Open your eye, shine your eye. Then they try for sabotage your government. Yes. Hey, na so kill. This party, na so kill. Then they kill people there. That's a very bad thing. That's not an example. That's a very bad thing. So Papa, I beg I beg you, my own brother. Why you they send the people there? Yeah? Pass your order. Anybody will go against that. They go again and do this kind of nonsense. Go take innocent people and solve them. Protect their family them. Easy. As 1, 2, 3. Fire in the squad. Let them kill them. Let me not to Sanko. Now look me. If me counsel alone are in politics, trust me, yanda no authority, no nonsense taking, no bush shaking. Because I am a born Sierra Leonean. I am an American citizen, but guess what? I am a born Sierra Leonean. Proud to be a Sierra Leonean. I go set example yanda. Una no go believe. Una tata. President Julius Madabio, set the record straight. Anytime they do that kind of nonsense they are. You know what thing for do today? Men and die. Kill them back. If you know what do that, look like me not to Sanko. I do go there, do and pap, I quiz the button, piang. But then see how they act. Nonsense. And then they pass and kill people there. Innocent souls. President say go take machine, not say go take life.